This is a Mighty Lock multi-lock clone. It's the shackle comes. Let's see if we can. The shackle comes completely out of this one. It's kind of a pain to get the shackle to go back in there, right? But it's a good lock. It's definitely not a bad lock. It is 5 pin and pin, just like the multi-locks. The tolerances on it actually aren't bad either. Like I said, all around it's a pretty good lock. You know, stainless steel, big body, shackle. I don't know if it's hardened. I didn't do that test, but so cover instruments, adaptive turner, and a multi-pick flag. Something on 1, something on 2, maybe something on 3. Two, 3, 4, 'That's not a 5 yet. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have a problem oversetting some of these pins sometimes, so I have to, if I'm not getting anywhere, just let off every once in a while, drop some stuff. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we're into the deeper falset. I don't know if you can see that very well. So I'm gonna take the smaller, and I'm gonna feel for 3. Switch back. 2, 3. Maybe I didn't get it. 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay. You know, just so you can see, that's all the way open. Shackle comes out. But that is the Mighty Lock MTL clone.